Yeah. Today is day 5 of the Sunrise and Swim Adventure, and we're at Port Eynon Bay on the Gower. Sunrise, as you can see, is coming up over God's country. Talbot in the distance, and this is Port Eynon Bay, and that's where we're going to have a little swim later on. 3 minutes to sunrise. The sun's not going to be there for long. Catch you later. So here we are on Port Eynon Beach. Beach has got a lot of memories for me. In the late 80s, they started a triathlon called the Excalibur Triathlon from this beach, and it would start just over there where those yellow buoys are. Saw that autofocus again. I have trouble with that autofocus. Anyway, so 1990 was the Commonwealth Games trial, which I missed because I fell down a cattle grid 2 weeks before it, lining up for a mountain bike race. So I missed that one. 1991 and 1995 I competed in the race. 1995 I think I was second, in 1991 I was third. But the sad thing is that while I was doing the race, my dad passed away. So that's why every time I come back to this beach, yeah, that gives me those memories of Dad, you know. So today's swim, which is going to be sort of from here that way a bit. I'm going to dedicate it to Dad. Later.